Hi, in this video we're going to start on the topic of statistics. And with statistics, what I'm going to start off with is something known as the measures of central tendency. So the measures of central tendency. What I suggest is please make sure that you have your notebook out so you start writing all this down. And we'll go over examples and definitions and all that kind of stuff. So what are measures of central tendency? So I'm going to go over 3 measures of central tendency, and you probably know some of them already, but we're going to revisit them as well. So the first measure of central tendency that I'm going to go over is the mean, okay? The mean. And the way we sort of write the mean is we put an x, so x stands for whatever variable that we're measuring, and I put a little bar over it just to indicate that that's what I'm measuring. So x bar stands for the mean. And as you know, another word for the mean is simply the average. All right, so this is the first measure of central tendency that we're going to assess. So say for example, I have a string of numbers, so I'm going to put them out here. So let's say I have 68, 72, 91, 86, 58, 62, 65, 65, and 81. Okay. So if I want to measure the mean, like in other words, if I want to measure the average, this is something that you probably know already how to do. So x bar will be, I take all the numbers and I add them up. So it'll be 68 plus 72 plus 91 plus 86 plus 58 plus 62 plus 65 plus 65 plus 81. And that all of that divided by the number of numbers. So in other words, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that divided by 9. So if I go further down, what this will equal to, if you plug that into your calculator and just simply do that, that will be equal to 71.888 ... And so if I round that off to 3 significant figures, that'll be 71.9. All right, so that's the first measure of central tendency, which is the mean. Pretty straightforward. In the next video, I will go over the next measure of central tendency, which is the median. All right, so see you in the next video.